我的题目呢并不是特别难哈，就是可能在这个同学当中有很多已经有很多的刷题经验的，可能一开始题目呢并不是特别难啊，然后这个反正还是重视这个参与度吧。OK， 发错了，我发给 panelists 了，我只发给嘉宾，不好意思。OK。发出去了，不好意思。OK， 那先来一道这个相对并没有那么难的题目吧？好吧，我先看看今天的这个同学的刷题的这个经验如何。OK， 那这道题呢就是这个有两个 input，OK， 一个 input is an array。It's an array, and let's say the array has a few elements in this array, and there is a integer. Let's say the integer is 34. Okay, and what you are trying to do is try to sum the array and the integer, so the result will become another array, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Think about that. You just add this 1, 2, 0, 0 plus 34 and becomes a new array 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so maybe another example, let's say this array 181 and this becomes 455. Okay, so the input is an array and an integer, and the output is an array as well with the sum of the input. Okay, so 有人有兴趣吗？有兴趣的话就打个1，然后我们一起来交流一下，做一下。这个天线宝宝，你可以这个来尝试一下吗？我可以再解释，我可以帮你 unmute 一下啊，天线宝宝，不好意思啊，我先 unmute 一下天线宝宝，然后接下来其他同学我可以后面的题目让你一起来参与一下。人有点多啊，我得找到一下这个天线宝宝。OK， 天线宝宝你可以说话 ，OK。
老师好，
OK，
你能重新解释一下吗？
行，就是说我在面试当中，我倾向于使用英文哈，但是我可以用中文解释一下这个题目。但是我们面试的时候呢，可以用英文，这相信大家也可以接受，因为这是一个锻炼嘛。这题目的意思就是这样子哈，这个是第一个，这个是 example 1。OK， 意思就是说我给你一个 array 1200，然后我再给你一个数字34，这个是一个 integer。然后呢，你就想象就是把它相当于1200加上这个34，然后得到一个1234这样的数字，然后再把它放到这个 array 当中去，这样子。所以这个的话就是也是相当于是这样的一个第二个 example 哈，就是274这样的一个 array， 然后你加上181这样一个数字，然后得到455，然后返回到一个这样的数组里面去。
Okay, got it.
Okay, cool. So yeah, you can get started. Ask me questions if you have, or you can try to code it.
So first I can brute force it. So I for loop the array to get a return integer first. Then I add that integer to with the k with the number. After that I got the result. Then the sum. And after then the last step is I convert that sum to for it to put it to the array, back to the array.
Sure. Yeah, I see this solution. So what might be the issue that issue would happen with this solution?
Well, the issue is if the array is too large, then it will overflow.
Right. Yeah, it will overflow. So essentially, there's no restriction on the length of the array. Okay, there's no restriction. So you can say integer or long or whatever. Any number could overflow. Any type can overflow. So yeah, so that solution doesn't quite work in that case. So probably you can think about another solution to tackle that.
Then the second solution, I can think I can convert that k to another array, so that we can avoid the overflow issue. So take the example one. For example, I can convert the 34 to array the first 3 and 4, and then I for loop the two array and add up each from the end to the beginning. And
okay.
Yeah, I use one more variable. I will name it as carry. I carry the if it's larger than 10, I will model it and put it to the carry and carry to next.
I see here. So so you first iterate the number k, right, to get all the digit from integer k and put that into an array, right? Actually, that's a good solution. That can definitely work, but it's not optimal in terms of space. So here you try to create an array, an additional array to save k, all the digits of k. So I guess that's some the extra space that I can avoid. Try to avoid that extra space. So there's another better solution than that. Think about that.
Okay. So I actually don't need an extra array. I just need two variables. So first variable is the carry, and the second variable is the position of the index. So it starts with the length of the first array, and then I move from end to beginning. So we don't actually need the array.
Okay. Yep. So I think that's fine. That's fine with me. That solution. So I think you can feel free to start code it.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I want to stop you here. I would like you to go through the algorithm with me. So talk about your algorithm to solve this problem. Okay.
So as I said, I want to I define a carry so that I know if it's larger than 10, I can carry the to next next add up, and I define a remain maybe remain so that I can take the 30 for example. After I put the 4 to add the 4 to 0, the remain will be 30 and will be actually 30. I will minus 4 and divide with 10 so that the key will be 3, and then the position will be here. So that means 0, 1, 2 will be. So the position first round the position is 4, and the second round the position is 3. Then with that position, I know I want to add the remainder to position 3, which is here. So I will put 4 to here and 3 to here. So then after that, the third round, the position is 0 now. So I know the loop will be finished. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my.
All right. Okay. Okay. Sure. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah. So. Range.
Okay. What are you thinking here?
Because the initial array could be empty or not, then I needed to know.
So let's simplify this. Okay. So let's say the array is not null, and
Okay.
And k will be a positive integer. Okay.
Yeah.
So those things you can clarify at the beginning, instead of just thinking through that, all those scenarios. You can maybe the interviewer didn't even want you to solve those scenarios. So just clarify at the beginning.
Okay. So this should be okay now.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, sorry. One more. Yeah.
Right. So one thing, like you mentioned carry here, but it's not used anywhere.
Yeah. Sorry. Used it here. sorry. Yes. That's it.
Okay. Okay. So one, I mean, one problem that I probably can tell is what if right, there are many corner cases, like this is one. So for example, the array is 1 and the k is equal to 9. In this case, you should return 1 and 0 in the final array, in the result array, right? I don't think your code handle that case because you just adding the number to the original, the input array, right? What if the result array has more digit than the input array, right? This one, your code doesn't handle that corner case.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. I think 就是稍微的点评一下，就是我觉得你还是有点紧张哈，明显可以感觉到，其实没有关系啦，就是这种心态需要慢慢的锻炼需要慢慢的去做题做得更精进之后呢，然后这个做题上才不会太紧张哈，因为其实你在面试当中，无论如何是个人，包括我去面试我也会紧张我也会略微有点紧张，会有点 excited 有点紧张这个都是正常的，但是你不能让这种紧张呢影响到自己的这种状态。其实在面试中，这个面试官以后都是你的合作伙伴，工作关系可能他也就比你刚早进公司1年2年的时间，其实也并不会说比你牛，或者是很有可能也是运气好对不对？然后去公司，所以呢对面试官呢其实更多的还是自己首先要准备充分嘛，然后跟面试官的交流更多的就是感觉到是说是同事之间的交流他只是想发现你更多好的点，你可以这么想，他是想发现你更多好的点，他想去更多挖掘你更多的这个他欣赏的点，对不对？而不是去故意就是去发现你的弱点等等当然了这个还是如果有弱点的话，在这个 feedback 当中还是会有一些 flag， 但是 anyway 就是说就是不要太紧张，对不对？这是第一点。第二点的话就是在这个做题过程当中，其实这个是一个典型的一个 two pointer 的这种题目其实你可能做过 add two numbers LeetCode 的第2题，或者是说其他这种 add strings add binary 这种题目，其实这种题目有非常多的变种，这个就是其中之一的变种，只是说你本来是2个 string 相加或者是2个linked list 相加，那这道题把它变成一个 array 加上一个整数，其实一样的道理，对不对？一样的道理你可以有一个指针，然后去从左到右去过第一个数组，对不对？那你另外的你可以从右到左去过第一个数组，然后呢你另外可以这不是指针了，你可以做一个取余嘛做一个取余，就像这边做了一个取余的方法当然这个有点 complicated 了，你把这个弄得有点复杂，其实没必要写的那么复杂， 就是你就做一个取余就可以得到一个1，对不对？然后再除以10就得到一个18，你下一次呢再取余，你不就得到8了吗？就这样一次一次的，你可以得到每一个 digit， 然后和每一个digit 在这个 array 当中的 digit 相加，对吧？就可以得到这个题目。其实就是典型的这个 add two numbers LeetCode 第2道题就是你在做这些题目的时候呢，我看你是因为没有自己的一个就是还没有说把这种题目一个模板化，就是还没有自己一些很 comfortable 的写法，所以你在遇到这道题的时候呢，你临场开始去 craft 自己的代码，所以呢，这个时候会非常出现这里少了一块，那里少了一块，这里出现一个这个 corner case 没有 handle 好，那边也有一个 corner case 没有 handle 好，所以就是经常是拆东墙补西墙或者是不断的做代码的累加，其实这些都是准备的可能在代码准备上还相对没有那么充分。然后才会有这样的一些现象产生，那没有关系，那以后慢慢的练习这个针对性的训练，那以后就会有这个提高，对不对？这是第2点。第3点的话，我觉得你呢还是由于紧张造成的你太快的就是没有过一些 test case， 没有做更多的 clarification 最后的就说，哎，我写完了，太着急的，就有点想放弃了，或者是这种感觉。其实这些都是应该去改掉的坏毛病，就是呢，你还是要过一些 test case 呀，就是让自己先有更多的 confidence 去保证这道题写的是对的，而不是太早的就说，哎，我写完了，这个怎么样？如果你一写完，这个时候面试官 take over 发现了一个 bug， 你基本上就挂了，对吧？所以呢，我觉得还是需要有更多上升的空间，需要更多练习，好吧？
好，谢谢。
不客气。更多练习，然后还是不错的。首先，这个你积极的上来去解决这道题，还是非常非常好的第一步而不是就是这个不发言什么的，对，还是很好的，好吧？那接下来的话，我们再来一道题吧，先这个chat 里面有些同学提问就是看一下，基本上应该对啊，这道题是 LeetCode 的这个989题，然后大家看一下这个题目，应该就大概知道是什么意思了。然后指针的话用 C 会比较简单嘛。这个其实不管你用跟语言没有太大的关系除非你说在这个 compiler 那个层面是不是会有一些这个效率的问题，但是你如果仅仅从代码上来说的话，是没有什么任何差别的OK， 接下去我们再练习一道题，然后这道题的话是说呢这样子吧，就是这个so let's say this is the input, okay? I give you a example. The input, okay? The input contains only 1 and 0, okay? So let's say this. Okay, so you can see that in this input, it's a matrix, it's an integer matrix that contains only 1 and 0. And you can see there's you can consider there's a 2 island here, right? There's a 2 island. And I want you to build a bridge to connect the islands. And you should return the shortest length of the bridge, return the shortest length of the bridge. So in this example, you will return 2, right? Because the length then here, these 2 zeros. Let me add a color on it. These 2 zeros will actually connect the 2 islands. Okay, so I hope I explained this problem well, but any questions you can always clarify. Okay, so let's say Robin. Yeah, Robin is first. 丽丝啊，下一次我会让丽丝来回答。那 Robin，我先把你 unmute 一下。Hello, Robin.
Hello. Could you
Hello.
hear me?
Hey. Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, I think I basically understand the question.
Sure.
So just I want to clarify a little bit.
Yeah, feel free.
For the input, we have like 2D matrix array, right?
That's correct.
So how could we define as a bridge? So it's like a 4 direction or 8 direction, or like, I mean, only up and down, left and right, or we also consider the upper left and upper right?
Yeah, only 4 directions. Yeah, only 4 directions. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's. And another question is, will we like guarantee in the input we have like two isolated islands, or will it be more than 2 or less than 2, any invalid cases?
Yeah, that's a good question, right? That's a good question on the input validation. So here I would say there's always 2 isolated islands.
Okay.
In the input.
Okay. Okay. So for the output, we need to like return the length of the shortest length of the bridge, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
So we don't need to return the path, just the length.
Yeah, just the length, correct.
Oh, okay. So my very idea is that we can try to find one island because we are guaranteed there exists 2 islands. So we can find one first, and then we can start to do because we want to find the shortest length, because so then it would be better to use breadth first search to get to another island, and then we like to count how many steps we used to find another island. So
okay.
Let's see. Yeah. Let's assume the first time we just find the first 3 elements, right? Because they are connected together. So from these 3, we do breadth first search, and after like 2 steps for the 0 under 8, and then we go to another 0 and 8, and then we find 1. So after 2 steps, we find another 1, and then we stop the breadth first search and return the result. So that's basically my idea.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, I think that works.
Okay, so
you can start coding.
Okay. I use Java.
Yeah. Okay.
So the island will not be like null, or it will not be invalid.
Yeah, it's not. So yeah, it's not empty. Always has two islands in it.
Okay.
So you're using DFS to find the first island. Is that right?
Yes, I still didn't implement it.
Okay. So you are using DFS to find the first island, and then you use BFS to find the length of the bridge.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I wanted to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Need to like. Sorry, the parentheses here is not that clear, like too many.
Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about that.
So is it possible like two islands, they are just a neighbor of each other? They're just like already connected, and so the age is like
No. So they are, the two islands are isolated.
okay.
Yeah, they are not connected. It has to build bridges. You have to build one bridge to connect them.
Okay, got it. In this case, this has to be one.
What are you thinking here? Maybe I can help. Yeah.
I'm trying to think what is the step I should initialize at. What is the number? It should be 0 or 1.
Oh,
Yeah.
the number. Okay. Okay.
So, yeah. So, I would like initialize at 0 and okay.
You still have maybe 3 minutes, around 3 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think the basic implementation is done.
Okay. So use depth first search to find the first island, and you create a queue for that, right?
Yes.
So in this queue, you have the position of the first island, and then you start breadth first search.
Yes.
From the queue.
Yes, from the queue. So use each position from the queue as a start position, and use several start position to do the breadth first search. And once we visit next one, because we already set all the ones in our queue, once we visit the one, we can just return the result directly.
Okay.
So that's basically the logic.
Okay, I see. Okay, yeah, I think that looks good. Just a few things, a few typo here. There should be new X and new Y, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, one thing. And another thing here is I think you should still mark it. The visited should be, it's not visited to continue your DFS.
I like marked it in the DFS.
Oh, you marked it. Oh, you marked it in DFS.
Yes.
So in DFS you didn't.
So marked all the visited ones in DFS. The first visited one of the first island.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then why you put the island?
Because we wanna start the DFS once we met a one, right? And we do not want to do DFS to the second island. So once we found it, we change the Boolean value found first to true, and we will not.
I see. Yeah, I think that's right. Okay, I think looks good. May I ask what's the time complexity of this algorithm?
Let me think about it. So the time complexity should be, I think, linear complexity, like not constant, ON.
Oh, okay. N is what?
N is the size of the N times M. So the size of the 2D array matrix.
Okay, yeah.
Because we use the DFS to try to visit all the ones in the first time, and it can be counted as ON, and then we try to use BFS. It's another ON, so it's like
okay.
Like ON. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Let's see. OK， 我觉得还是不错的，就是这个基本上这个基本功，是可以看到的。这个 BFS 的话，这个写的速度呢可以再稍微的提高一下。当然了，这个你 Google Doc 写的不是很熟练，这个也可以理解，
对，
就是确实有点麻烦。不过你写多了，应该这都不是问题了。写熟练都不是问题。那你 DFS 和 BFS 相对还是比较熟练，这个是比较好的，因为本身在面试当中，这个 DFS、BFS 还是出现的频率还是挺高的，所以我觉得，这两个 DFS、BFS 写的熟练是非常有必要的。然后，对，我觉得还是不错的，这道题解的。
谢谢老师。
就还有一个小小的地方哈，就是当然你用的这个 find first，这个地方。
我本来寻思要不可以用个 break， 然后就把那个 break 就先放一个那个
对，
在外面的那个 loop 那里，然后但是它怎么写我有点忘了。 然后我就
没关系，你可以写2个 break 嘛，就是先 break 里面，然后外面再 break。
对，
你要记住，就是2个 for loop 都给 break 掉就可以了。你这样放一个 funny first 的话，就你其实还是你没有办法 break 嘛，就算
对，它还是会便利整个 matrix，
还是会便利整个 matrix。可能从效率上来讲的话，没有那么好，没有 break 好，没有用 break 来的好的话，break 来的好，对不对？因为这个当然了，这个作为算法题的话没有任何问题如果是生产代码的话，可以稍微再抠一下这个地方。然后就是当然了，你也知道这个 DFS 和 BFS 的一些这个 pros and cons， 对吧？如果这个 matrix 非常的大的话，你可能 DFS 会出现一些 stack overflow 的问题。有可能，对吧？有可能如果非常大的话，所以如果在这种情况下的话，你可以解决办法就是用 BFS 不用 stack， 就是你可以用内存就是如果它这个大一些的话也没有关系。所以这些可能 keep in mind， 就是当你在做这种便利的时候BFS versus DFS 可以考虑一下他们的优劣。OK， 好，
谢谢老师。
不客气，谢谢你。然后我再出一道题。OK， 刚才我看那个思是这个丽丝同学，你我看一下，丽丝同学你还在吗？
在的。
OK， 我听小王子老师说你好像水平挺不错的。
没有。
所以然后 OK， 我给你一道可能稍微难一些吧，但也没有那么难。
没有，我写code的水平不怎么样，挺水的。
但是思路算法水平还是比较好的，好像听说。没关系了，我们来 try 一下。就是假设有一个 matrix system， OK，a matrix， we are going to collect some matrix. A matrix has a name, metric name, and the metric value. Okay, so the input is like, for example, I want to collect the cache hit metrics. Let's say it's 38, for example, and also cache dot miss dot count, which is 8, let's say. So, and database search.count is 10. Okay, so I want to know, so this is the input. I give you a cache hit account, and it's this is the metric name, and this is the metric value, 38. Okay, then so
which is the name?
Metric name.
Yeah. So okay, go ahead.
Okay, so yeah, so this is the format. So metric name and a metric value. So this is the input, one input that I give you. Okay, one input. And now you build something. Okay, you build something. Then another input is, for example, I give you an input called cache, and you should return me the sum of 38 and 8. This will be 46, right? Because there are two metrics which start with cache, and their total count is 38 plus 8. Okay, so if I give you cache dot hit, this will return 38. Okay, and I give you miss dot, this will return 8.
Okay. So basically, the metric is looking for something like the prefix.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I got it. So so the value, all the values is the integer, or it can be float or
Oh yeah, just the integer. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it's like you give me input and like so all the so like the cache, all those things are like it's all provided like at the beginning. You won't add anything else like later on. It's just there.
Yeah, this is, yeah, I will in totality. So this will be everything I give you. It's not dynamic. It's a static input.
Okay.
Okay, this is the static.
Okay.
Input.
Okay. So only the input is the dynamic.
Yeah, only the
you will call the.
Yeah, this is, you
Okay.
can make it a function call, and this
Okay,
function call I can provide a key, and you return me the value of that key.
I got. So yeah, so this will remind me some like tree structure. So for example, you have the cache, and it have the heat as have the heat, and the miss has two children.
Yeah.
Is that okay? I'm sorry. So like the cache would have two child, maybe heat, and their miss.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So and continue. So if so now the problem is converted to something like a graph problem. And based on your requirements, I just need to find the prefix. So if you want to find the cache, the heat, I may need to go from cache and the heat, and all those the heat or the child okay, the sum of the child count is what you need.
Yeah, that's right. So is that your question? Sorry, does that answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, go ahead. What did you say?
Okay, so you talked about this. You create a graph on that. So I might want to give you a hint on that. So you've mentioned there's a prefix, right? It's
yes.
It's all about prefix. So if you think about prefix, what data structure you're going to present for this?
So I think there's very famous data structure called the trie or tree. I'm not sure my pronunciation is correct.
Yeah, it's trie. Yeah, you can build a trie or prefix tree, to build a data structure and prefix tree. And
actually, it's just basically a tree. It's nothing that very fancy stuff. It's just a tree.
Yeah. It's physically it's a tree.
Yes.
Yeah.
But just the node have more.
You have to to have maybe more data, put some more data in the node.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, so I think that would be my solution. I would going to build a tree, and the node, the tree node would have the int, the value. And also, I need to build the map to connect its labels. I call it link. Just also itself have a name. Yeah. This would be my data structure for my node. I would use a DFS or maybe the bottom up.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe this I spelled this wrong. It's okay. I forgot.
What? Okay, that's fine.
Okay, got it.
Oh, you
so
don't know
yeah,
how
I
to
would
spell
use the
that?
bottom up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So fine. I don't understand. Yeah, bottom, right? It's B-O, sorry, B-O-T-T-M. Is that? I got that.
Oh yeah, I mean, I think
Yeah,
I got
bottom,
it right.
yeah.
It's bottom up.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the top down and the bottom up.
Yeah. Okay.
But it's okay, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, so my basically I would have for something DFS. I have a tree. Now we need a string of name. I may need to convert the name into a list of string. I'm sorry. Yeah. So, and then I can go through there, and I can DFS. Like, okay, so hold on. So first, I need to find the last node. Okay, so goes.
So first, I mean, you can maybe you can build the try first.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Based on a given input.
So okay. Yeah. Yes. You're right. So if I build the try, I already have the count is that, for example, here, already have the sum of the sum of their child or children's value. So I just need to find the node. Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So I may need to build the try first. Okay. So do I need to start have the class and?
Yeah. You need to create a class, so you can maybe make the class called define
solution,
a name.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So maybe yeah. Let me change the name. Okay. Let me just make it a metric count, and this is the class name, right? And you then going to build you're going to have a data structure, right? And
yes.
build this data structure for this class, and also add the function call in this class.
Yeah. Yes. So maybe I would use another. Okay. So what's the name of their okay, find account. So okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
And so what those input what
yeah.
they
Yeah, you can create a map. Okay, just a map of the key is the string and the value is the integer.
Okay. So that's for that's input something data or I'm so sorry, I really have trouble to name it.
That's fine. You feel free. Yeah, naming doesn't matter. Yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah. Also, don't worry about the first letter. Okay, are you finished?
Almost done. I'm not very familiar with their this data structure, so I'm still trying to make sure the implementation is correct.
Okay, yeah, I think you're close, but a few, I can see that there might be a few bugs there. Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, let's say if you want to handle a word or a metric that doesn't exist in the input, what will you return? Like for example, still we use this static input. Okay, and what about the input is, let's say name, for example, a name.
Oh yes,
so
that's
what will return? So in this case,
yes, that's right. If the current is none, I should return. I should to check whether the current is none or not. And also, yeah, if it's none, let me return something.
Yeah, that still doesn't quite work because cur links, if you keep going this cur.links, I think the cur.links might be null if you keep going. You know, depends on the splits.
I see. Oh, I see. Yes, I see. I should break if it's.
So this is basically think about search a do a search on a try, right?
Yes, that's right.
Try, yeah. So if it doesn't exist, you just return, yeah.
Yes,
just return.
That's right.
Yeah,
I'm not very familiar with this. That's right. You're right.
yeah, and also if a current is null, you can just return 0 there, or yeah, return 0 or -1, or yeah. And also this part, I think you also need to think about it. I think there's it doesn't quite work for its so this question. So basically what I want to test you is how to build a try, right? How to build a try and how to search a word in a try, right? This is no longer, it's just a try. Usually we use a letter in a try, right? But in this case, I just change that a little bit to make
it's more general.
Like node
it cannot use the
string. Yeah, can I use array to in a node, right? You have to use map to build a try.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I think.
So yeah, go ahead.
No, I think overall it looks good. I think you are familiar with try, but the implementation need to be brushed up a little bit. So for how to build a try, when you know how to decide what should be in a try node, and if the try node has a string, a word instead of a letter, how to build a try and how to search the word in the try. Some try implementation needs to be brushed up, and that's my suggestion to you.
Yeah, that's right. Thank you very much. I think I really need to do that there.
对，就是挺好的。我觉得 overall 就是对这个数据结构的这个储备还是有的一般来说，你会想到这个是一个 trie，然后你能很快的定义这个 trie 的这个 data structure 里面的 field 应该是哪一些，对不对？然后这个就是 implementation 上稍微的再去熟练一下，而且差不多就差不多了。当然这个因为 try 的话，这个是可以背诵的东西嘛，对不对？因为这个是这个不变的东西，这个是你在准备面试的时候可以准备的东西并不是一些题目，可能一些这个需要临场可能去想一些算法或者怎么样的，像这个更多的是考察的是你对这个数据结构的储备，对 try 的了解，以及 try implementation。那 try implementation 这个是你在面试之前是可以去准备的东西，对吧？还有你的这个一个好的地方，我觉得你的写代码还挺快的，啪，那个敲代码的速度还挺快的，所以我觉得这个是可以，还是有一定，觉得你还是有一定在这个代码上的一些训练，所以我觉得这个还挺好的，好吧，行。
好，我再去熟练这个结构。这个就是估计是我没有写过几次这种 tree 的结构，基本上都是用 array 来实现的。这个估计就写过2-3次吧。
对，就是这也是一个，就是很多人就简单的 try 的题目吧。如果都是字母的话，都是用 array 来实现。但是也有很多 try 的题目，你必须要用这种map 来
要比较 general 一点。
对，不过还行吧，就是还是这边写的有一点点问题哈，包括你刚才这个 这个 search 和这个地方写的有点问题。不过
对，完全忘记了这个就是等于 none 的会不会等于 none 的问题了。好，谢谢老师。
OK， 不客气。
这个有原题吗？
这个没有原题，而是我自己自己设计的一道题。对。好，谢谢你。然后我看看 chat 里面有没有一些问题，对吧？对，就是208的这个题目的一个扩展吧。208这道题就是基本的 try 数结构，你可能会用 array 来实现，但是仅仅会用 array 实现是不够的，还要练习如何用 map 去实现这个 try node。有些人说这个 database 是干嘛的这个只是一个例子，只是一个 example， 就是如果你这个地方我的 input 是 database 的话，那就返回10；如果 database 点 search 的话，也是返回10。OK， 那我们再来一道题吧，就相对简单一点了就是大家都可以来 try 一下，练习一下，就是给你一个link list。And return whether the linked list is palindromic or not， 是这么拼的吧 ？palindrome or not。OK， 有没有想来练习一下的？看一下，还在群里比较活跃的，比如说 Jack 同学，可以吗？可以打个1吗？如果你可以的话，想试一下的话。Jack 同学，Summer 同学，看一下 ，Summer 同学，我不知道 Summer 可以吗 ？Hello。 Hey, hello.
So, 判断一个 link list 是不是 palindrome？
对。
所以这个题 因为 linked list 它只能是走单方向走的。
是。
所以我觉得 brute force 的话，你就把每一个节点拿下来，然后判断它是不是一个，那你就可以从前往后，一个从后往前走就可以了。但是这个题就是它是想单向走，
就是比如说是这样的一个 linked list，我看一下，就是比如说这样子的话，它就是一个 palindrome 的 linked list。
所以我可以用 extra space 吗？
extra space，这个最好不要用 extra space。我觉得这道题不用 extra space 是可以解决的。
我想想，如果不用 extra space 的话，那它就只能单向走。我想想怎么走吧。就只能边走边记。能给点提示吗？
好，可以啊。这个首先就是说你可以把这个给定的这个 link list 先 cut 一下 ，cut half，对不对
OK，你可以把它 cut 成从中间 cut 一下。
？Yeah，
然后如果它从中间 cut 一下，然后一个从前往后，然后就比如说一个是走1、2，然后另外走2、1。那这样的话，还是从一个走1、2，一个走2、1。
And you can reverse the second half.
Reverse the second. Oh, I can reverse the second half. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
makes. 那 reverse 的话，那就还是用到 extra data extra space 了吗？我想想 reverse 的话，OK 不用。OK that makes sense。你就从中间 cut half 一下，然后reverse the second half，然后走一下，是不是？看是不是那个什么，就是看它是两个和是不是一样就可以了。
对，是的。
OK，OK，我写一下。传进来的是一个
list node， yeah，
list node。然后比如说它是 list，所以我们先看一下 cutting half 的话，它是可以是有奇数有单数的，有奇数的，就是它是那个 node，有奇数有偶数。然后如果 cutting half 的话，你就必须有一个那个两个 pointer 走。就比如说它是有一个 fast pointer， 一个是slow pointer。然后比如说你的 fast pointer 和 slow pointer 一开始都在这里，然后一个走一个，一个走两个。所以如果它这走两个，然后它这个走一个，然后它这个走两个，或者说还是比如说它这个走一个的话，有两个，走一个走两个。那它这个 S 走到这里的话，那 F 走到的是，已经走到这里了。就那个，如果 S 走到3的话，那就从3的后面 cut 一下。但是如果你是，偶数个的话，偶数个的话，如果 S 和 F 它走这里，走两个，走一个，那这样， 这个不行，所以必须如果前面有个 dummy 的话，我看这样会不会好一点？如果走 dummy 的话，它一开始的话，这两个比如说这个有 dummy 的话，然后这两个一开始都在前面，然后它走一个，走两个，走一个，走两个 ，OK， 所以有 dummy 的话，S2 的时候，它 F 已经走到1的末尾这个1的位置了。但是如果这边有 dummy 的话，我想想，它走的是1、2两步，它走的是1、2，那比如走3步的话，它就走1步、2步、3步。OK，那就有 dummy 吧。有 dummy 的话，它是这样子，它就是那这个 S 走到这的时候，你的 F 已经走到它这个走到 now 的位置了，所以这样就是好像 dummy 的话应该是
yeah。
因为它 list node 它有 next 的话就等于list， 然后 list node slow 和 slow 等于dummy fast 等于dummy，然后while fast 在这里 while fast 不等于 now and fast 点 next 不等于 now，那你就 slow 等于 slow 点 next， fast 等于 fast 点 next 点 next，然后走到这里以后，你从 fast 后面切一下 fast 点 next，对，先有个头，那个 dummy，不是那个 list node 那个second head 等于 s 点 next， 然后 s 点 next 等于 now，所以你下一步就是 reverse 的话，你现在想有 reverse second half， 它是从那个 second head 开始要 reverse， 对不对？那就套个那个 reverse 那个公式，比如说我写成 helper 吧，你把这个 second half 传进去，private void helper list node second half，它这样这个 reverse 的话，就是 while 你的还是得有一个 pointer， 就比如说你的 list node 有个 current， 然后 current 就等于你的 second half， 然后只要你的 current 不等于 now 的话，那你就给它先想想，如果是1、2、3，然后你这个是 second head， 然后如果有一个 current， 那你就next， 比如说你得把 next 记录下来 ，next 等于 current next， 然后记录下来以后，它如果是 next， 你得有一个你要返回的一个值，所以你返回的应该也是一个 list node， 然后你返回的这 list node， 比如说你叫它 temp 吧，那你的那个 current 点 next， 你就要把它设成如果你要把 next 拿下来以后 ，current 点 next 就等于 temp， 然后你要把 temp 再设回去 ，temp 等于 next， 然后你的想想我想想这个在纸上写看那个如果它 next 等于 current next， 然后你的 current 点 next 等于你的 temp， 这无非就是连一下的问题。然后如果你的 temp 等于 next 的话，你就把 temp reset 回去了。 然后那你的 current 也要 reset 回去一下。想想，天呐 current 点 next， 然后 current 点 next 等于 temp， 但第一下就是 now， 然后now 的话 temp 等于把 temp 放回去然后你得把 current 也得放回去 ，current 等于 next， 感觉我想想这个例子，比如说你有1、2、3吧，然后那你这个一开始你的 current 在这里，然后你这 temp 是一个 now， 然后你的 temp 是一个 now， 然后你的 next 在这里你记录一个 next， 这是你下回走的位置。然后 current next 等于 now 的话，那你就是把那个1指向这个 now 的位置，然后你的 next current 点 next 等于 now，OK， 你这块就没了。然后你的 current next 等于 temp， 你把 temp 再放回到你的 next 的位置。想想 current， 这块应该是放回 current 的位置 ，current 的位置放到这里，把 temp 放到这里就是下次的节点，然后你的 current 就到 next，OK。所以如果每次这样的话，就这样返回过去，然后你返回的最后 return 的是什么？你 return 的就是你的，应该是你的 temp。有什么问题吗？OK，
还是要过一个 test case 吧来看，因为我直接看也
OK， 所以
一下子也看不出来是不是有没有一些问题，但是这个没有关系了，这个 reverse 这个东西可能就是写几遍练习上应该就
OK
就会了。OK，
然后
we can assume 就是 assume 这个 reverse work 吧。
reverse 的过来以后就是 reverse second half， second reverse 这里，然后你要 check 的话，那你就用2个 pointer check 就可以。你在这里的话，你就注意一下你的 s 的话，因为它这个如果是奇数的话，那你前面它就前面一个是1、2、3，一个是1、2。然后所以这里注意一下1、2，然后一个是1、2，一个是1、2、3。然后这个比的时候，这个是 first half。然后 check 的话，你就肯定有2个 pointer 嘛。check 的话就是一个是 first， 然后一个是 second。first 的话就等于你的 list， 然后 second 的话就是你的这个 reverse， 对不对？然后你就看，只要它 first 等于 now， 然后它的 second， 再看一下，主要是那个，主要是应该 second 等于 now， 看一下，因为它这个长度肯定是第2个更短一点，
对，相等或者更短一个，
相等或者更短一点，所以你先比较一下那个 if first 点 val 不等于你的 second val 的话，那你就直接 return false 就可以了。不然的话你就继续那个 first 等于 first 点 next， 然后 second 等于 second 点 next。然后对，然后如果他们都 pass 的话，那你就直接return true 就可以了。 目测是这样子。
OK，看上去，看上去没有问题哈，看上去没有问题就是说一开始的话，我觉得应该是感觉上的我觉得思路还是挺清楚的，逻辑也挺清晰的，然后不紧张，很淡定，我觉得这个是非常加分的一个点从我的角度来说，那当然可能你是有一定刷题基础的，但是可能很久没刷题了还是怎么样，所以这个一开始的这个算法这个地方稍微 struggle 了一下，这个是扣分的。就是基本上给了 hint 的话，基本上面试官是不会给 hint 的了。但我们这个代刷嘛，就是大家都开心，就是给个 hint。一般来说，面试官是不会给 hint 的。给的话呢也是比较扣分。这个是一点。然后就是剩下就是这道题，其实无非重点就是2个，一个就是如何找到 middle node in a linked list， 然后就是如何去翻转一个 linked list。这就是考点，就是说在做 linked list 的题目的时候，这2个基本的小 function 吧，就是熟练的去写一下因为 linked list 无非就是用一些这些小 function 在 linked list 里面是这样子。对，整体来说还不错，就是刚才我说的那些东西注意一下就好了。好吧，谢谢。
好的，谢谢。
好，对，这个有个同学说好淡定的小姐姐，我觉得没有错就是非常淡定，这个是非常好的，就是一开始可能思路没有很清晰的话，你慢慢的通过一些test case 呀，去 walk through 一下，就慢慢就会清晰了这个是很加分的，因为大家不要想这些题目好像都是面试官他看的，并不仅仅是说这道题能不能解出来啊，是不是最优解啊？那有些公司他看的是最优解啊，比如说 Facebook， 那没有办法，他们就是这样的一个 hiring strategy。那还有很多公司的话，他其实看的是这个人的谈吐节奏感然后交流的时候是不是能很快的就是思路是不是很清晰交流是不是很清晰这点其实是我本人也是很看重的。就是如果你会发现以后工作的时候，同事当中如果有一个交流这个表达特别清晰的人你是很愿意跟他合作的如果是一个就是说话没有重点开会的时候经常会这个离题跑题没有一个主线去贯穿的话，还要写这种 document， 没有一个主线去贯穿的话，很散的话，其实会比较累一些。Anyway，所以呢，今天的话，我们大概练习了这4道题，有简单的，有难的，然后涵盖的面还是相对的，稍微 cover 一些吧，对吧？然后后面我们之后还有更多的代刷的活动，然后也会 cover 各种各样的题目让大家去这个准备去练习然后最后的话又回到这个恰饭的环节，是不是？最后我们再说一下，就是呢这个算法小班给大家这一个非常好的地方，就是非常非常多的这种这个不仅仅是这种系统性的练习就是非常系统的练习，让大家在刷各种各样的算法 topic 上面能够变得越来越从容在这个1个月的训练之后，同时呢，就是有大量的这种沉浸式的练习，那这种是很多人所欠缺的就是算法可能都知道就是但是表达起来呢会很扣分就是表达不清楚刚才在练习当中或多或少我也有这种情况所以这个是需要大量的强化去练习的部分。然后相信这个小班上下来的话，基本上我觉得拿到 offer 是基本上没有什么问题的我们算法小班也不一定说竞争对一些没有刷题基础的我们还鼓励有一定刷题基础的人来上，然后不同阶层的不同阶段的这个同学都会有很多的收获这个昨天也有这个同学来做一个之前的上岸的 alumni来介绍一下我们算法小班。那他本身就是一个 还是比较有刷题经验的一个同学。然后这样的例子非常非常的多，然后有很多很多的同学上完小班之后呢，陆陆续续的拿到 offer， 当然还有一些还没有上岸，但是相信很快也会上岸在这个结课之后，其实老师也会给很多一些辅导了，不是说课结束之后就 say goodbye， 其实这种师生之间的这种 connection 还是非常的密切的。OK， 然后上岸算法小班和 BQ 小班，然后感兴趣的话呢，大家可以扫码，同时呢也可以联系三鱼和小年糕关于一些课的这种各种各样的问题然后有什么问题吗？OK， 好吧，不客气，好吧，那我们今天活动就到这边，然后明天呢，段誉老师和大家不见不散，大家晚安，拜拜。